What is up, YouTube? Today we're here, Chicago River. A lot of fair weather fans out today. I'm over here keeping this corner nice and cozy for crappie. Stay tuned. There we go, guys. Just started off. A beautiful Chicago River crappie. Going in for the release. There's another one. Another one going in for the release. That's a nicer one. There we are, guys. Another beautiful Chicago River North Shore Channel black crappie. Making it happen. Going in for the release. It's another small one. That was a good bite right there. And you can tell by all the red on his jaw, he's definitely feeding on shad, small minnows. Nice fish. Oh, that's a good one. Yeah, that's a good one right there. Awesome, there we go. Another beautiful black crappie. One of our bigger ones of the day. Nice fish. Take the hook out, going for the release. Ooh, this is a nice one. Ooh. look at this beautiful slab, guys. Got a beautiful slab crappie here, and we're going in. So pretty. Oh, another beast, guys. Jeez. Look at that. Another absolute beast. So far, a lot of slabs. Let's see if we can continue that success. Oh, this one feels really nice. Let's see. Oh, it's a bass. It's a bass. It's a bass. Bass. Nice. On the little jig. Chicago River bass. Right before January. Whew. Here we are, guys, with a beautiful, beautiful largemouth bass. Again, out here with the fair weather, guys. You know who you are. Beautiful largemouth going in for the release on a little tiny crappie jig. Nice. Huh, another bass. Another bass. Nice. I mean, they're not huge, but phew. On the little minnow jig so far. 2 bass on the minnow jig. Here we are, guys, with another late December. We are almost in January, just a few days away to that happy new year. Late end of the year bass. And we are out here almost 50 degrees. Very mild temperatures. Beautiful fish going in. Okay. But yeah, he's gonna go try it over there. So that's cool. All right, guys, and with that, we are out. It was a different day than the normal. Quite a few people out there. It was fun nonetheless. It was good meeting new people, and I want to thank you guys. I'm out here getting gas in Wisconsin, so I want to thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, and we'll see you guys next Friday with another geofishing exclusive.